Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Thanks for tuning in today. In this video, I'm just going to show you what comes in our Up Page kit. Here is a look at the sample or the page kit that you get. This one's going to my book. As you notice, I've got some pictures there. And here's the right side. Okay, so you're going to get a full sheet, full color step-by-step instructions. The back sheet has larger images to help in paper piecing. And you'll receive two 12 by 12 sheets of black cardstock, two 12 by 12 sheets of the background paper. All the little pieces are sorted into small baggies for each character. And then the larger pieces are loose in the kit, as you see here. You also receive the photo mats. They're all pre-cut for you. All you have to do is measure the photo mat and then trim your photos to 1/4 of an inch smaller than the mat, and you have a perfect size border. So that's all for this video. If you'd like to pick up one of these kits, please click on the link below. It'll take you to my shop where you could find this kit as well as many other fun projects. Now, if it is sold out, just go ahead and message me and I'll let you know when it'll be back in stock. So thank you so much again for watching. Don't forget to click the like button if you enjoyed this video. Click the subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss any of the magic here on my channel. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram where I post updates of upcoming projects. I always have something fun in the works. Thank you so much again and have a great day.